Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create vertical blur transitions with fade out effects on CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and then add 2 keyframes on each clip, in the middle and also the end. Okay, put it like this. Repeat the steps for all of the clips or photos. And after that, you need to lower the opacity of all of the last keyframes to 50. So on the last keyframes, go to opacity, lower it to 50, and do this also for the entire clips. Okay, so now go to the video effect and add the vertical blur that you can easily find on the opening and closing. Okay, this one, and put the effect for the first half clip like this, and then add keyframe at the start and put the blur to 100. Now go to the end of the effect, add another keyframe and put the blur to 0. Now you can just copy the effect and put it for the entire clips. Okay, after you put the effect on entire clips, your editing will be done and the vertical blur transition will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, and also click on comment if you have any questions. Bye.